thing drinking is very bad. Yo, I got a fake ID though.
It makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better. Do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour. Work is never over. Work it harder, make it better. Do it faster, makes us stronger.
That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast.
See the strength and force. Yo, I got 1 or 2 on my list. Let me take them off. Rush off on the Saturdays. Pixie Lock. Who would've thought I would've got this far? Like how on earth did his name brand get that large? Cause I'm a fucking star. Have you seen my car? Only will it be? You could come around my bar. If I want it all, no minimal. Team Chi the general. Me and my brother the APs, that's clinical. Oh, I was raised a survivor. Now I get brands of money if I get a fiver. Riding my time, so I'm living the 30 years that I was given. Life for. You've always been my undercover lover. Nothing like no bar. Told me to get him all, fuck him all, no bar. I double on my cup from pounds to the dollar. Negative to positive, no longer will I suffer.
Mama thought I wouldn't make it, but now she's living in a spaceship. She said, son, I'm getting older, cold, the money buys everything. Would you like a facelift? See, I didn't know I would be able to afford all these clothes. Look at where we are. Now that's what happens when you make it. Oh, 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 oh.
Can I have a foot-long beef melt, please?
This is some. Can I have a foot-long Italian with chicken, please?
Italian heart, please. Heart Italian. Yes, please.
Hey, did you know you can have meatballs in there?
Yeah,
The meatballs are in there.
Huh? Nothing. Just
Can I have chicken, please? Oh no, just chicken.
yes, please.
No cheese, but toasted. You can have double meat.
Can I have just barbecue sauce, please? Yeah. Takeaway.
Drinks, a penny.
Yes, please.
Yeah, just grab one of those. That'll be £5, alright?
Okay, thank you.
What, you can walk around with it?
Yeah, it feels. It's pretty cool. It's like it's waterproof and it's like it's basically indestructible. Like I dropped it from like my window yesterday and it's fine on concrete.
What are
Yeah.
you doing? Just like gonna make a collage out of the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. There we are. So good luck with that.
Cheers.
Get up! We ain't going home. It's 6 in the morning. This house is bumping. Grind to get the friction on. We ain't going home. Even when the lights come on. This house is bumping. Bang, it's still going strong. Get up! Oh, I've been drinking too much for sure. I got a hangover. Whoa, I got an empty cup. Pour me some more, so I can go until they close up, and I can drink until I'm toe up, and I don't ever want to grow up, I wanna keep it going, keep it going, 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 going. Got a little bit trashed last night. I got a little bit wasted. I got a little bit mashed last night. I got a little faced it. I'm on a roll. If you don't know, well now you know. I got a hangover. Whoa, I've been drinking too much for sure. I got a hangover. Whoa, I got an empty cup. Pour me some more, so I can go until they close up, and I can drink until I'm toe up, and I don't ever want to grow up, I wanna keep it going, keep it going, come on.
Drink up, cause a party ain't a party till you ride all through it. End up on the floor and can't remember you clueless. Officer, like, what the hell is you doing? Stumbling, fumbling, you wanna what? Come again. Give me hen, give me gin, give me liquor, give me champagne, bubbles till I'm in. What happens after that if you inspire till a friend? Like all my homies tired, we can all sip again. Get it in, and again, leave evidence. Wasted, so what? Irrelevant. Be a kick to the head, who's selling it? I got a hangover, that's my medicine. Don't mean the bag I sound too intelligent. A little jack can't hurt this veteran. I show up, but I never throw up, so let the drinks flow up, pull up. I got a hangover. Whoa, I've been drinking too much for sure. I got a hangover. Whoa, I got an empty cup. Pour me some more, so I can go until they close up, and I can drink until I'm toe up, and I don't ever want to grow up, I wanna keep it going, keep it going, come on.
Attention!